Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate a shortcut key for some productivity improvement. Let's say I want to start a beam about 600 millimeters from this point. I want to start here and then go maybe 500 this way. Now how do I do that? So first thing is, start the beam command. I put the mouse here and press the Y key. That locks the Y coordinate. And now what I do is I press Control key, left click, drag the mouse here. I want to go 600. That is my start point. So I type in 600, enter, and then my beam is say 500 this way, so I put 500. So that's my beam. Let's check. Measure horizontal should be 500. And there it is, 500.